that her feather?
From Pongo!
Yeah.
Ready? Done.
Got a haircut.
If you don't get too cute, you don't want it.
Does that hurt them?
No. If it did, you would have heard.
Oh.
I want some of her feathers. I got some of
There he is, honey.
Alright. Here, you want to hold Henrietta?
Ooh. She's getting big for you.
You love me.
Yeah.
I gotta be careful with her feet. They keep scratching.
About
Did she want down your
There you go.
head?
I want some of her feathers.
What did I get?
There's one.
1, 2, 3, 4.
I don't want those.
Okay.
There's some of
Put her down. She's getting
so
big.
shiny.
She's gotten so big.
Look how shiny she is.
Here's feathers, Riley.